Hey, I'm Mary Bartos with Bartos Group and Premier Plus Realty, and you have joined us on the Really Mary Show today, where I have my special host, Cheryl Stokes. Good morning, Cheryl.
Good morning.
Or whatever time of day you're watching this. We, as many of you know, the Bartos Group does, and Cheryl Stokes does a lot of things for the community. And we have a special edition of the Really Mary to talk about some of the things that we have on the table.
Yes.
And what we're actually doing. Cheryl, tell them where you're from and what we're going to do.
Okay. I'm Cheryl Stokes with New American Funding, and we do partner up on lots of different community activities. This year, we thought we'd try something new. We haven't done it in the past, but it's pretty timely, we think, just given the needs in the community. And we have decided to supply starter kits for all the students in Manatee Elementary School today.
Which, there's how many kids?
525 to 550.
Right.
So that's a huge goal.
It is.
Goal, but we're excited about it.
Yeah, and we were kind of estimating, the price of this goal, which isn't possible without your help. So please, 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 if you're so inclined, we're going to make it super easy for you to do. But Cheryl, talk about this and how much all this stuff was.
So all of these notebooks, glue sticks, pencil packs, etc. This morning, there's about triple of this in my car. Were purchased for just $26 today. So there are ways to save funds, contribute just a small amount of money, and really make a difference for these kids and the day they start school. Kids need things. We have children in our community that need things like even toothbrushes, toothpaste, hygiene supplies to start the school year, in addition to the regular school start items that they need, notebooks, pencils, glue stick. And we have a list that we're going to provide, and we have a way to order it. You can order online at Amazon and just have it shipped to one of us and help us reach the goal of handing out 525 bags of school supplies to the students at the school.
Now, there's a link below so that you can click on it. It'll go to your Amazon account so that you can go in. That's the list. You can go in and get the school supplies that you can pay for, right? From that perspective, and it'll see what that list is, kind of like when you sign up for bridal shower or
exactly,
or
bridal
moving
shower,
into a new home,
baby shower, brand new home, and you send a list out to all your family and friends of what you might need for the new house.
That's right.
This is the same kind of thing, and guys, it's a simple list. This isn't an extravagant list by any means. No. It's erasers, dry erase markers, colored pencils, highlighters, dry erase. It's all simple things, but you would be surprised how much of this is needed for these students. These are consumables, so they need them all the time. Right. So if we can put them in a head start to start the year, that'll help the school not have to try and help resupply these students as we go forward.
I love it. Cheryl, you'll always come up with great ideas. For that, we're thankful. And you know what? Please feel free to help our community. Link to the description of this video. The link is in the description of the video. There it is up on the screen. And make sure you do that. I simply did that, and we would have had more stuff, but Amazon was a little bit late, or I ordered late. Let's put it on me, not on Amazon. I clicked on the link, and my supplies to this are coming. It's counting them backwards so that we're not going to overachieve, just like that bridal list or that baby shower list.
Exactly. So once we hit our goal, and we luckily had one donor. One of the things we needed was sanitizers. We had one donor supply all 550. So we didn't put that on the list.
No.
So once we hit our goal, we'll take it off, and that'll lead us down to hopefully putting one of every of these items in a bag.
Yeah, absolutely. So Cheryl, as always, it's great to have you on the show.
My pleasure.
Always great to know, because we started a little late because we needed our supply because mine didn't come. On me, not on anyone else. Until next time, we look forward to seeing you here in Southwest Florida, helping out a friend. Ciao.